Welcome, dear viewers, to a world of remarkable resilience and captivating beauty. Today we venture into the fascinating realm of cacti. From the towering saguaro to the diminutive pincushion cactus, each species boasts its own captivating features and care requirements. Join me as we delve into the essential care tips for cultivating thriving cacti. Embarking on our cactus caring journey begins with selecting the right species for your environment. Consider your home's climate, humidity levels, and the amount of sunlight you can provide. For sun-drenched spaces, varieties like the prickly pear or the golden barrel cactus will bask in the warmth. If your dwelling leans towards a shadier disposition, fear not. The resilient Christmas cactus or the intriguing zebra cactus can tolerate lower light conditions. Choosing a cactus well-suited to its surroundings is crucial for its long-term health and happiness. A well-matched cactus will reward you with vibrant blooms and robust growth for years to come. In the arid landscapes where cacti reign supreme, rainfall is a precious and infrequent event. Over millennia, these resilient plants have evolved to store water within their fleshy stems, enabling them to withstand prolonged periods of drought. Overwatering is the most common pitfall for aspiring cacti cultivators. The key is to water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During the active growing season, a good soaking every 2 to 3 weeks will suffice. As winter approaches and the cacti enter dormancy, watering should be reduced significantly. Just as a sunflower follows the sun's arc across the sky, cacti too crave the life-giving energy of our nearest star. Most cacti thrive in bright, direct sunlight for a significant portion of the day. Ideally, aim for 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. South-facing windows are often the most suitable location for these sun worshippers. If you notice your cacti turning a reddish or brownish hue, it may be a sign of sunburn. A happy cactus will reward you with vibrant colors and robust growth. In the unforgiving terrain of the desert, soil is not merely a medium for growth, but a lifeline for survival. Cacti have evolved to thrive in well-draining, porous soils that mimic their arid homeland. When selecting a potting mix for your cacti, opt for a specialized cactus or succulent mix. These blends are typically composed of coarse sand, perlite, and pumice, creating an airy and well-draining environment. Avoid using regular garden soil as it tends to be too dense and retains too much moisture for cacti to flourish. A well-draining soil mix is crucial for preventing root rot and ensuring the long-term health of your cacti. Mastering the fundamentals of watering sunlight and soil will set you well on your way to becoming a true cactus connoisseur. Repotting. As your cacti grow, they may eventually outgrow their containers. Repotting into slightly larger pots with fresh soil every 2 to 3 years will provide ample space for their expanding root systems. Fertilizing. While cacti are not heavy feeders, they do benefit from occasional fertilization during their active growing season. A diluted, balanced fertilizer applied every other month will provide the necessary nutrients to support healthy growth. By paying close attention to your plant's needs and responding accordingly, you'll foster a thriving desert oasis within your own home. As we conclude our journey into the captivating world of cacti care, remember these resilient plants thrive on a minimalist approach. Provide them with ample sunlight, well-draining soil, and infrequent but deep watering, and they will reward you with their unique beauty for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gardening adventures. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of cacti care. Until next time, may your gardens flourish and may your cacti thrive.